At SEP, our mission is to empower individuals using solar cookers and theme-based learning. We believe that solar cooking education should be accessible to all, creating inclusive learning environments where people from diverse backgrounds can participate and benefit. It's about bringing sunshine into the lives of everyone. Let's listen to how Taylor and Anna utilize the curriculum with special needs students working in a STEM Innovation Center in Colorado.
We can introduce the theme and give it to them in a format that they can comprehend and take breaks from and have that outcome. So I think that was helpful for them, and the kids that had talkers could have the specific programs on their talkers and interact with the materials, and doing the cross-curricular things like math and reading and vocabulary and social expectations. Like we said, just asking to borrow the scissors or asking permission to use something, and then communicating with their peers to decide what they wanted to cook. And
after they had a product, they practiced something. Like all of what they were working on was cooking something. So when they actually had an outcome, a tangible outcome, that they actually cooked pizza rolls or cookies or whatnot, it definitely grew their self-confidence. So, wow, I did something. It worked.
Yeah, and they sometimes, I think what I see from my perspective is they have the innovation opportunity, but it's hard to get through the instructional piece and make the plan and have that outcome. And this was a lot more streamlined to the outcome for them. So that worked really well.